Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Revolut abroad. Now this will be a very quick and easy tutorial, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. The Revolut card is one of the cards we always carry with us when travelling, since it allows us to pay and withdraw money abroad without pesky currency exchange fees. Moreover, Revolut lets us carry out transactions in different countries, such as changing from one country to another, when the exchange rate is more favourable. Revolut is an excellent choice to use abroad because it allows you to hold and spend money in over 30 countries. When you use the local currency with your Revolut card, you avoid your typical foreign transaction fees and dynamic currency conversions. Users can also withdraw cash from ATMs around the world without incurring any fees, up to a certain limit depending on the type of account you have. Although, third-party ATM fees may still apply. You can use your Revolut card to make payments abroad. You simply just have to tap your card on the contactless terminal or swipe it through the magnetic stripe reader. Revolut will automatically convert the currency to the local currency at the interbank exchange rate. So that's exactly how you can use Revolut abroad. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.